How to install incompatible apps on Android. So if you want to install incompatible apps on your Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings at first. Once you open up your settings, now you need to go with search, which is on the top right, and you need to search for incompatible apps. Or if you don't find the option of incompatible, then you need to go with install unknown apps. Tap on install unknown apps option and tap on the option again. And here you need to go with the source. Like for example, if you are trying to install it from your browser, Chrome browser, you need to go with Chrome browser and go with allow from the source. Or if you're using the inbuilt browser, you can just go and toggle on the option of allow from the source. And after that, your problem will be fixed. You'll be able to install that incompatible app. So that's how you can install incompatible apps on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.